Hey, it's Aqua with WTI, and I'm having so much fun with this balloon garland. This is the Partydream Western Cowboy balloon garland and backdrop. This turned out so well for my cowboy party, and I was really pleased with it. The backdrop is about 70 inches by 45 inches, a really nice size for a backdrop. I like how it has kind of a Western theme, so it could go cowboy or Western. This came with 50 balloons in varying colors of tan, and my favorite were the cow print balloons. They turned out so cute. It also comes with balloon tape, so it makes it very easy to secure the balloons in this. It keeps it together to make a really easy balloon arch. I really found it very easy to do this arch. It did not take me very long at all. I made this balloon arch in about a half hour to an hour. I love the cow print balloons. They just made the perfect pop against the tan colors. I found that these balloons are really quality. I didn't have any problem with them popping while I was trying to blow them up. Really quality. I also like how they coordinate really well with the colors of the backdrop. It really looks well together. I had so much fun. This was a great photo backdrop for my party, and I hope you have fun with it too. And that's my point of view.